Hi, in this video I'll show you how to remove this common message you may see on your Shopify store under product pages where it says tax included. And there are a few ways how you can remove it. You can either make changes in the languages section under your theme, or just comment out the liquid code which is responsible for showing this message. And I'll show you two ways. So method number one, you can go to admin panel of your Shopify store, then look for online store, then look for your theme and click actions and edit languages. Then simply in the filter items here, just type taxes included. Oops, sorry, tax included, not taxes, tax included. Then you'll get the results here, and under the product, just basically copy, highlight this text, remove it, and then add space. Basically, you want to add empty space here, and then click save. Then go to your front page of your website and refresh. Here we go. This message is gone. Now let's put it back. Tax included. Let's save it. And the second perfect. The second method I will show you is how you can remove this code via Liquid. Now basically go to homepage, then online store, go to actions, edit code, then type in here product dash template. So product dash template.liquid. Once you open it, then basically click somewhere in the code section here and press Ctrl F and look for taxes. So you should find this section, car.taxes _ included. So once you find this, simply comment out this code. Here we go. And it's very easy. Just make extra space here and curly brackets, %, comment. Then just simply copy this and add the end comment under here. And perfect. So it's visible. So comment and comment. And you want to comment out this code. Here we go. Then once it's ready, just simply click save. And go back to your front page and refresh the page. Here we go. This message is gone. So I showed you two ways how you can remove this tax included message, and I hope you found this video useful. And if you want to learn more about Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.